Hello everyone, welcome to MS Update Webcast. In this video, we are going to see the steps on how to create a program firewall rule to block or allow access to specific application through Windows Firewall in Windows Server 2019. For this demo, we are using the test lab created in VirtualBox. This is a Windows Server 2019 virtual machine. In this video, we want to force users to use Microsoft Edge web browser instead of Internet Explorer. And that's why we want to create a firewall program rule to block internet access for Internet Explorer web browser. For that, we need to open a Windows Defender firewall with Advanced Security Console. On Server Manager Console, I'm going to click on Windows Defender Firewall Profile Public. Under that, I'm going to click on Advanced Settings. You can also run shortcut command wf.msc to open the same console. We need to click on Outbound Rules. In this video, we need to create outbound rule to restrict Internet Explorer from connecting to the internet. Let's right click on Outbound Rules and select New Rule. Make sure Program option is selected. Click Next. Use Browse button and select the program's exe file which you want to use in this firewall rule. I'm going to click on Browse. Let's click on C drive, and under that I'm going to double click on Program Files x86, Internet Explorer, and select iExplorer.exe application. Click Next. On the action screen, we need to select Block the Connection option as we want to block internet access for this application. Click Next. On the profile screen, we can apply the rule to a specific firewall profile. For example, if you only want a program blocked when you are connected to a public Wi-Fi and other insecure networks, leave the public box checked. By default, Windows applies the rule to all profiles, and here I'm not going to change the settings. Let's click on Next to continue. On the name screen, we can name the rule and enter an optional description. This will help us identifying the rule later. Here I'm giving name Block Internet Access to IE. Click on Finish. As you can see, the rule has been created successfully, block internet access to IE. Now, as you know that we have two Internet Explorer installed on this server, one for 64-bit and the second one is x86. Again, I'm going to create another rule to block x64-bit Internet Explorer application. Let's right click on Outbound Rule, select New Rule, click Next, click on Browse. Click on C drive, Program Files, Internet Explorer, and iExplorer.exe. Fine. Click Next, Next again, and specify the name. Now I'm going to click on Finish to create this second rule. Okay, the second rule is also created successfully. Under Outbound Rules, we can see the both rules which we have created earlier are listed at the top, and from here you can easily disable or delete them whenever required. Keep in mind, firewall rules we create take effect immediately. Now let's open Internet Explorer to check if users can access the Google using Internet Explorer or not. First, I'm going to open Internet Explorer and let's try to access the website https://www.google.com. Now let's press Enter key. Click Add. As you can see, now we are receiving message that can't reach this page. The reason behind this, firewall is preventing Internet Explorer to connecting to the internet. Now let's open Microsoft Edge web browser. This is the first time where I'm opening Microsoft Edge, so that will take some time. And even we can see in the background MSN is open, so we can confirm that internet is working perfectly fine. But still, we want to access google.com website. Let's press enter key. And as you can see, on Microsoft Edge or any other web browser, still we can access the google.com website because we have created program rule only for Internet Explorer. And that's the reason why Internet Explorer is not able to connect to the internet. On other hand, Microsoft Edge is successfully connected with internet. That concludes the video on how to create a program firewall rule in Windows Server 2019. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.